This dance is called Cowboy Twister. It's a 28 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. There's a lot of twists in this first section. Ideally you need a nice smooth floor to be able to dance this one on effectively, so I might struggle a little bit on the carpet, but we'll give it a go. So we're starting our feet together. You're going to twist your heels to the left, twist the toes to the left, twist the heels to the left, twist the toes to the left. We're going to travel back to the right now with slightly different steps. We're going to do some Dwight Swivets. So with these Dwight Swivets, you are going to twist your left foot so that the toe comes to the right, and at the same time you're going to touch your right heel by the side of the left foot. Then you're going to twist the left foot, heel to the right, as the right foot's toes go down. And repeat. Left toe, right heel, right toe. So that might take a little bit of practice. So you're doing opposites. You move the toe with the one foot, you put the heel down with the other. Just do those swivets once more. Left toe going to the right, right heel going down. So it's left toe, right heel, right toe, left toe, right heel, right toe. Let's put that whole section together. Twists off to the left. 7, 8. Twist left, toes, heels, toes, toe, heel, toe, heel. So it's really difficult on carpet. Let's try that once more. 7, 8. Heels, toes, left toe, left heel, left toe, left heel. You will go a little bit faster than that to the music. So from there we're going to add on an extended vine to the right. So step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. Keep going, cross left over right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, stomp the left beside the right. So it's quite a long travelling line. Do that once more, half on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Let's add that to the top. So you can practice those swivets again. Heels to the left. 7, 8. Heels, toe, heel, toe. Toe, heel, toe, heel. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step forward on the left. Slide your right beside the left. Step forward on the left again. Now you're going to turn half a turn left, pivoting effectively on that left foot as you hitch your right. Similar set of steps now, but with the right foot leading. So we're going to step forward on the right, slide the left beside the right, step forward on the right, pivot again on that right foot, but now we're going to do a quarter turn to the right as we hitch the left. And because your one foot is actually coming off the ground, you will automatically find that you are turning your body anyway, but just make sure you have turned it and you're not still twisting it and part of it's been left behind. So that little set of steps once more then. Step, slide, step off on that left foot. 7, 8. Step, slide, step, turn, step, slide, step, turn with your hitch. Let's add that to the top, and then we'll put the final little bit on. Heels off to the left. 7, 8. Heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch. So to finish the dance, nice and easy, step forward on the left, slide the right beside the left, step forward on the left, stop the right beside the left. And remember, you're going off into your twists, so make sure your feet aren't too close together when you finish. So that last little bit, step, slide, step off on the left. 7, 8, step, slide, step, stop. And you're ready to start the dance again. So let's add that to the rest of the dance, all the way through. Now you'll notice when I'm calling out these swibbits, I'm actually giving you the direction of what you're moving on the left foot, not what the right foot is doing. I can't do the two together. So I'll give you the left, and your head's going to interpret that when I say toe, your left toe is moving, and it's the heel on the right foot. So here we go, twists to the left. 7, 8, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, stop. So that is your dance. It goes quite nicely when you can actually travel a little bit further, as you've got a little bit freer movement underfoot than what I've currently got. But it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Twists off on to the left. 7, 8, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, stop. Heel, toe, 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 heel, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, stop. Heel, toe, 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 heel, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, stop. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe, toe, heel, turn, heel, right, side, stop, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, stop. Heel, toe, heel, heel, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, stop. Heel, toe, heel, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, slide, step, side, step, stop. Heel, toe, heel, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, stop. Step, slide, step, hitch, step, behind, step, stop. Heel, right, slides, slide, heels, right, step, slide, step, heels, right, step, slide, heels, step, slide,
backseat, you'll hitchhike to take a little long ride on the motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love. I just can't handle it. This thing called love. I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. 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 Hey, crazy little thing called love.
Hope you managed that one.